They say don't judge a book by its cover. So today we are not judging oatmeal by its toppings.
This is Quaker oat. I'm giving just one cup of a bowl. If I'm saying 1 cup, not 1 cup. That's for me. This is my chilled iced mug.
Success comes from trying new things, even if that thing is Oreo and Cucumber in oatmeal. Today I am mixing something no one asked for. Oreo and Cucumber in my oatmeal. Is this genius or a disaster? Let's find out.
It will melt with the oats.
Some people follow recipes. I follow curiosity. If it sounds crazy, it might be content. Great things that simple. Even a bowl of oats can become something legendary. Every big idea starts with one small step. Today, it starts with oats. In this kitchen, we don't follow trend, we create them. Some people eat normal breakfast, but on this channel, we experiment. We take risk, we miss things that probably shouldn't be made. They might laugh at Oreo and Cucumber in oatmeal, but remember, people laugh at every crazy idea before it becomes legendary. So while I am stirring these oats, I am not just cooking breakfast. I am cooking creativity, because success doesn't come from playing. It's safe. It comes from trying something different. So let's see if this is a disaster or the next viral masterpiece.
Yeah. Me, I love a little sugar, not too much. And I'm adding a salt to taste. You check the quantity you are preparing or you are making. Then you add your salt. Yeah. So I started with Quaker oats and my ice block chilled mug. This is the mug has melted, finally melted.
Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain, free to all, a healing stream flows from Calvary's mountain. In the cross, in the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. The name is Bida and Walker Doings. Here it is, my masterpiece in a bowl. Oreo, cucumber, and oats all together. Some might call it crazy. I call it creativity on a plate. Remember, magic happens when you try something new. Every experiment, every risk, every word combo, that is where greatness starts. So dig in, enjoy, and don't be afraid to mix a little fun into your day. Who knows, your next bold idea could be legendary too. Today we try something unusual, something bold, and that's the point. Life, just like cooking, is about experimenting, taking risk, and turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. So go out, try new things, embrace the world, and remember, every great idea starts with a small step or a spoonful of oats. From my kitchen to yours, enjoy every bite and every moment of your day. Stay playful, and may your breakfast always taste like a little bite of happiness. I love you. Thank you for